To answer the question in general, yes. Our fastener technology, for example the fastener D30, has a raised section in the fastener half. This penetrates the anodized layer during tightening, and in the case of the internal clamping technology, for example, the claw penetrates the anodized layer during tightening to create an ESD-safe connection. The general rule for the plastic components in the lean production building kit system is that those that are black are also ESD-safe. For example, the end cap. This is made of a black plastic material and is therefore also ESD-safe. However, we also have exceptions, such as the tube KH, which is also black but not ESD-safe, and the braking roller insert for the roller conveyor 6AL, which is also black, but stands out with its grey frame and is also not ESD-safe.